Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to add menus or edit menus in your WordPress website. And after watching this video tutorial fully, you will be able to edit your menus successfully. So now let's jump into it. So now as the first step, I have opened my web browser, and then now I'm going to proceed to the my website or my WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website. So in this website, I need to change this menu, and I need to add a footer menu too. So let's see the exact steps to add a footer menu and a header menu now in this video. So now I'm going to proceed to the first step. So the first step, now I'm going to log in to my WordPress dashboard. So simply click WP admin and then click on remember me, and I'm going to click on login in order to log into my dashboard. So now I have successfully logged in to my WordPress dashboard. So in order to create menus in this website, I have successfully created some of my pages. So I have created pages such as about us, contact, maintenance, and privacy policy, and many more pages. So now I'm going to simply click on the themes or appearance, or I'm going to click on appearance, and then I'm going to proceed to the menu section in my dashboard. And now I'm going to delete all the existing menus in my website. So I'm going to delete all of this. So how to delete? Simply click on delete menu. So I'm going to delete all of these. So I'm going to delete the header one too. And I'm going to follow all these steps to delete my existing menus. So now as you guys can see, I have successfully removed all my header menus. So there is a custom header menu here, so which has all the pages. So now first of all, I'm going to remove this button over here in order to edit my header menu. So now I'm going to name a menu here in this menu structure. So I'm going to name my menu as header. So now I'm going to click on main row, and I'm going to remove this button. So I'm going to click on publish to make my website look more attractive and beautiful. So now my button is removed. So now I want to place 3 pages in the top of my header menu, which says me as home, about, and contact page. Let's place 3 menus in the upper header and 2 pages in the footer menu. So now I have successfully added my name for my menu structure. So first of all, let's click on create menu in order to create our header menu. So now I have created my header menu. So now I'm going to click on view all and select your pages which you want to appear in the header. So now I'm going to select the home, about us, and contact. So now I'm going to click on save menu. So now I have saved my menus. So this menus doesn't show because I have not clicked add to menu. So now I'm going to click it. So now as you guys can see, this menu is showing, and my about us page and the contact page and all the pages are appearing here. So now I'm going to click on save menu in order to save my menu. So now I'm going to click on customize in my WordPress website over here, and it's loading. and now I'm going to click on the main row over here, and now I'm going to click on menu 1. So I can simply change my menu by clicking select menu. So now I'm going to select the header, and I'm going to simply click on publish in order to publish my menu. So let's proceed to our website. So now as you guys can see, my menu is appearing. So you guys can simply click on or edit this font size and the color, hover color and the font color. So now let's see the exact steps to edit the font size and the font color and the hover color. So I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to click on the main row, and I'm going to click on menu 1, and I can simply select any of these design. So now I'm going to proceed to the design section here, and now I'm going to change the font to Roboto. So I have changed it. So now I'm going to change it. So it says me looks like you picked a Google font. By using external Google font, your website might not comply with the privacy regulation in your country as alternative. So now I'm going to click on I understand. So now I'm going to click on continue. So let's click on publish to view changes of our website. So now as you guys can see, my font is changed, and now I'm going to make this font size a little larger. So I'm going to make this to 20 or 19. Make this to 19 to check whether it is more big. So I'll make it 16 to check my font size. So again reload it. So this font size is little big, so let's make it up to 15 to make it looks more pretty good. So 15 is more smaller, so let's make it 16 itself, and we can simply click reload it to experience the change. So now this looks pretty good. So let's change the hover color and the text color in our design. So now I'm going to make this up to dark black, and I'm going to make it to little blue. So let's make it to this blue. Make this to this blue. So now I'm going to reload this page. So it is the same color, so let's try to make more darker in this face, and let's reload. So as you guys can see, this color is not appearing successfully. So let's make it more lighter to experience the color change. So now as you guys can see, my color is successfully changed. So now let's edit our footer menu. So how to edit? Simply proceed to the menu section, and click on and then select create a new menu, and enter it as footer, and click on view all, and select the pages you want to appear. So first of all, let's create our menu, and let's click on view all, and let's select all the pages, and let's click on create or add to menu, and let's see our pages. So these pages are appearing. So now I'm going to click on save menu. So I'm going to again proceed to the customize section here, and I'm going to click on edit in the footer, and now I'm going to click on the bottom row, and now I'm going to add elements by proceeding to my footer menu, and I'm going to drag and drop this block, and I can simply select the block to the footer. So it's still loading. I think it's I didn't save my menu. So now I have saved my menu. So now I'm going to check it out. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to close this one too, and I'm going to click on customize. So now I'm going to go to my footer, and I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to proceed to the back, and I'm going to select the footer menu here, and I'm going to click on this footer menu, and I'm going to select my menu as footer, and I'm going to click on publish in order to experience my footer menu. So let's see our change. So now, as you guys can see, my footer menus are appearing successfully. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.